How you doing, guys? Hope you're well. Do you like my lights? It's the best I can bloody do. It's festive. I can't find any tinsel, so I thought I'd just put some lights on. It's that time of year. It's Christmas. Merry Christmas. It's my favourite time of the year. Good food, drink, spend time with your family, and I'm going to do a beautiful side dish. I've done this before, and it's one of my favourites. Creamy garlic mushrooms. Beautiful button mushrooms. Like I said, I've done this before on my channel 2 or 3 times, and it's delicious. And I thought I'd do it again because I really fancy it. So very simple. I'm going to be using some veg stock, some white wine, some cream, some shallots, plenty of garlic, and some button mushrooms. And for this recipe, just try and get the button mushrooms. These work well for this recipe. Not any fancy mushrooms like wild mushrooms or anything like that. Use the button mushrooms, cheapest cheap ones. These work the best. It's quite a fast dish. It's a 1-pot pan, which I love. And I was taught to make this back in the 90s. I used to work at this restaurant called Hooper's, and we made it every day, and I haven't stopped making it ever since. And it's simple, and it tastes so good. So first what we need to do is finely dice these shallots. I think they work well for this dish, nice and sweet. So get all them in a bowl. So I'm just chopping my garlic. You can use a garlic crusher. I just like to do it by hand. So what we're going to do to the garlic now is add a bit of salt, and this will help it grind more because we're going to mince it. Like I said, you can use a garlic crusher. So with the back of the knife, just give it a little mince. So that's nicely minced, so add that to my bowl. So for this, make sure you've got everything ready. So olive oil goes in the pan. So when your pan's hot, add the mushrooms, straight in. You hear that sizzle? That's what you want. Now cook these until they're pretty soft, nice and golden brown. Look at these now, they've been cooking for like 5 minutes. Mushrooms contain a lot of water, so it's very important to cook out the water. The sizzle's fading, that means the water's going away, and that's what you want right there. Right, the mushrooms are good, all the water's come out. Now your shallots. If I added the shallots at the start, they will burn, because they're really nicely, finely diced. So add your shallots. Right, now cook out for about 1 minute and make sure you don't burn them. Next add your garlic and cook out for 2 to 3 minutes. It's smelling amazing. Right, turn your heat up and add your white wine. You just want to make sure you cook out all that alcohol. It's smelling amazing. Next, add your stock. Bring this up to a boil and reduce by half. It's smelling amazing. If you love garlic, you're gonna love this. It's garlic heaven, right? So that's reduced by half. So add your cream. Get your cream in. So mix your cream, bring it up to a boil and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes so it slightly thickens. And the great thing about heavy cream, it doesn't split. Single cream does. So you can really bring this up to a boil and get it nice and thick. And to finish, just a little bit of fresh parsley. Wow, that's just a creamy garlic heaven right there. And my parsley, that looks and smells amazing. I haven't got any crusty bread, and this is amazing with crusty bread. It looks beautiful, it looks festive. I've put some bull's blood on there just to give it that pop. If you love garlic and if you love mushrooms, you're gonna love this, especially garlic. It just smells beautiful. And can you see what I mean? It's a fast dish, it's fast, so you've got to be on your game. I'm just gonna tuck in. Good crusty bread, you need some good crusty bread, but I haven't got any bloody crusty bread. So I've just got to use this, but I'm just gonna tuck in. Oh man, creamy. Come on. Get my bread in. Oh man. Just make it, you'll see what I mean. It's absolutely delicious. Anyway, Merry Christmas.